You know, ever since I got this truck, there's just one thing that doesn't make sense to me. I mean, what is this thing for? You can't put anything in there. Can't fit my wallet in there. Water bottle? Forget about it. That ain't working. Sunglasses? That's a no. Jersey Mike's free coupon? Oh. Oh, well, that's what it's for. Whose idea was that thing anyway? I've got a solution for you. In comes Norse Offroad. They've got this little bracket just for that cubby. And you can see, you can put your RAM balls there. And you can have a tablet mount, a phone mount. For me, I'm gonna have a cup holder because you can't have enough places to put cups. Maddie travels with at least 3 cups, and I need a place to put my liquid death. Murder your thirst. Let's go inside and I'll show you what's going on. Step number 1, take out this rubber mat. Now to take out the mat, you put your hand on it and then boom, gone. After you put it in, it'll look a little something like this. Now, isn't that much better than some cubby that don't do anything, you know? First thing we're gonna do is take this apart and mark the holes that we're gonna have to drill into the back of the cubby. All right, so you've got the mat out. Now you take this little base piece, stick it in there. Make sure it's lined up pretty well. And then, I don't know any other way to do it. I don't have a tiny marker, so I'm gonna take a tiny drill bit and just kind of punch a little hole in there. Next up, we get our long reach 3/16 drill bit. Something tells me this isn't gonna line up very well. All right, that should be a little better now. On one side, I've got my ram ball. On the other side, I have my bullet point mount. And we're just gonna line it all up. Now I tell you what, this is the perfect setup for your passenger princess. You got your cup holder for her giant mug, and you got your phone holder. I mean, what more else could you want? The only downside is you can't hold your Jersey Mike's coupons in there. Well, it's done, finally. We found a use for the cubby, but I don't think I'm ever going to use that again. It was not easy to put in, not worth the effort. I don't know. The only reason I put it in is because I spent $150 on it. I'll leave a link in case even after you watch this, you still want to do it. You know, maybe I was doing it wrong. You guys have seen the videos. I don't do everything right. But for now, Maddie can have her cup. I can hold my liquid death. It's got that tactical look, so that's a plus. In the meantime, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and remember, go get them revs.